Hello, I have a Volkswagen Tiguan here. It's 2012 model, 4motion. The issue here, there's two noises. One is a clicking noise and coming from engine bay, and the other one is humming, like a buzzing noise, also coming from engine bay. And it is all happening while the key is in the first position, while the engine is still off. So I'm gonna show you. So right now there is definitely no any noises in the engine bay. I already checked. So I'm gonna put it in the first position. There it is. We could hear the fuel pump. It did work. So now we're coming over to engine bay. So I don't know if you will hear it, but I'm gonna put it right in that area over there, and you will hear some kind of humming noise. It is better to hear from underneath the car. So this is the front of the car. And this is gonna meet back of the front of the car. So it's kinda like it's right here, and I think like it's coming from the oil pump. I can feel the vibration. So it must be the oil pump. So again, the engine is off. Why there would be like oil pump working? So this is something that I don't know if it's normal or not. Maybe somebody can check it for me on their car. So the other noise is a clicking noise. It is coming from here. So I understand this is a high pressure fuel pump, and this one here is the regulator for it. So if I bring it all the way to it, so it almost sounds like an insect. And the way I know it is here is because when I disconnect this part here, the noise disappeared. So there's no more clicking. And I put it back. Before I put it back, I just wanna show the voltage. So it is 8:35, 8:33, so around there. I don't know whether it's normal or not. Maybe someone can take off their plug and check it for me. But when I connect it back, there'll be clicking noise. And listen to it again. And the buzzing noise is still there too. I'm gonna just start the engine so you guys can hear how it's working. engine light is on. That's not good. Now let's shut it down. Let's see if I can come back in the start position. Probably not gonna be able. Nope. So there's no any sound obviously when the key is just in. Yeah, none. But the noise is back as soon as I put it in the start position. There's the clicking noise. And there's the humming noise. So please help me to find what it is. I think it's maybe oil pump, but I have no clue. This is not a car that I've been driving, and maybe some of these noises are normal. I have no idea.